Hello, welcome into this session where we are going to look on how to run analysis and design of this model after completing our model. This class is done courtesy of Kate and Raphael, who are currently students in the Protastructure masterclass. So without wasting much time, let's get started. My name is Lucas Moronge and I'm a civil engineer by profession. And if you are new here, kindly remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what maybe you prefer us to focus on in this YouTube channel. Thank you. So to run our analysis, we just come to analysis tab and then we just go to building analysis. And remember, before actually we run our analysis, we have to check whether our model is modeled properly. So we just click on this analysis tab here. So we just come to analysis tab and then we just do first building model check. We see if it has some errors that we can actually deal with before we run our analysis. We just click on start. Let's just give it time. So building model completed, number of errors 0. So we did our modeling correctly. So let's just close this model check and then we now move back to pre-analysis. Remember, as I showed you previously, you have to define your material starting from the concrete grade, steel strength, reinforcements for different members. So let's just proceed and do that before we actually do our analysis. So the first thing you have to do is to ensure that your concrete grade or your concrete class is of the desired strength or is the preferred one. So you just come here and choose if maybe you want class 16, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, but for us we'll stick with 20, 25, and then just do this and apply it to all members. The next thing is that now you have to change your steel grade. From locally, this is the steel grade that is available, that's 460, and then just say apply to all members and then you click OK. But before you click OK, you can actually proceed to rebar diameters. So just click here under rebar diameters and now you define your rebar for various members. For instance, here, this column, the first column is for the slab. You can see the slab starting, then go to the wall, whereby we have the wall here. So for our column, because it's just a G+1 building, we cannot have the 32. That will not be economical. Is not really a member that we can opt to use, but we can have the 16. We can also have the 12, but we cannot have the 10 because the minimum reinforcement for a column should be the 12. So you can either use the 16 or the 12. Those are just sufficient. We don't have shear wall in our design here, so we just omit that. Then when you come to beams, we'll be having maybe longer beams and we may require up to the 20, the 16, the 12, but not the 10. So uncheck the 10, and then once we go to slab, we just want our slab to be detailed with the 10, both the top bars and the bottom rebars. So just choose the 10 for slab, and we cannot use like we don't have the 7 in the local market, so we just want to have the 10. So ensure that the 10 is what's checked here for the slabs. Then when it comes to this is foundation, though we will not be having this craft foundation, we don't have half-pad foundation. For our case, we only want to deal with either the 16 or you can even do the 12. Just be fine because this is just a G+1 story. And then for our rings, we only want the 8. Just uncheck everything and leave the 8 checked. And then for this one, we have longitudinal bus. So you can actually check this. You can do this one with what, though I don't think we're going to really have, this design is a simple one and it won't have much complicated design like longitudinal webs. I don't see them coming here. So you have just selected your members and you are okay with them. Just click OK. Once you click OK, you just come also and click here OK, and then you just click again OK. Now you can proceed to analysis, and analysis, just click building analysis, and then just click column and choose, give it the software the option to design once it failed. But we can do it, yeah, just give it to reselect bus once your bus fails. You can just click those two options. We are not we are not working on field members, so you just don't check this, just check these two and then just click building analysis. So the analysis is complete together with the design. So you just click that OK. Then you just close this. And then you come to visual interrogation to just check the design status of the model. Just click. As you can see, there is this parts that have actually failed. So in my subsequent video, I'll be showing you on how now, once your model failed, what you are supposed to do. It's not always that your model will have to pass. This is a good indication. At least it's giving you some warning. You can see the red members here, the red columns that have failed, the slab that has failed. So this we are going to start our second lesson.